KCB has announced a new partnership with Safaricom that will ease access to credit to Kenyans. In an age where convenience is king, the ability to apply for and receive loans at the click of a button is fast sweeping the country. But just how is this new phenomenon going to change the banking sector? Well, KTN's Adelaide Changole has more.
20 years ago, it used to take 3 months and a letter from the chief and pastor and collateral to get considered for a loan facility from any of the country's banks. Years of innovation is the process somewhat, and 10 years ago, the time taken to process a loan had reduced to 1 month. But still, one needed an astounding level of documentation to get a loan approved. That meant entrepreneurs had to seek creative solutions to the problem.
People have been borrowing from Shylocks, from friends, from family.
The solution came 2 years ago when a new initiative between the Commercial Bank of Africa and Safaricom allowed customers to borrow up to 100,000 shillings based purely on the value of M-Pesa transactions. But now a new initiative is taking over.
When we launched M-Shwari a few years ago, we signed an exclusive agreement with them, and the central bank asked us to make sure that once that exclusivity was finished, that we open it up into other banks. And so we've done that.
Dubbed the KCB M-Pesa account, the new initiative will allow consumers to borrow anything from 50 shillings to 1 million shillings for either 1, 3 or 6 months, with the interest ranging from 2% to 4%.
The rates are much lower. It's 2%. You're getting these loans at 2%. I mean, markets at 7, 8. And that gives you an opportunity for any customer that wants to have quicker access of funds, and then enabling them to make savings as well.
Applicants will be scored based on their M-Pesa history, with 0 being the least credit-worthy and 10 being the perfect credit score.
Credit score gives you the value of the loan that you require. Of course, if you've got a credit score of 0, then of course then you're not getting any kind of facility. So some customers are okay doing a credit score of 5 as long as their loan facility is that amount.
However, with the new KCB M-Pesa account offering many of the options offered by the 2-year-old M-Shwari, analysts say the new deal could hurt the latter's growing popularity. But Safaricom says nothing could be further from the truth.
M-Shwari has not been around for that long, and with CBA, we've tackled 10 million customers, and so there's a latent market, and it's what Joshua always called the kind of the blue ocean approach. So we're not fighting over a pond, we're actually operating in an ocean. We think the opportunity is massive.
Instead, they anticipate greater growth in the economy as more players avail credit to traders in a convenient, flexible and speedy manner.
So you will see more businesses, more jobs created, definitely, in my view, and credit is affordable, higher products for the nation.